Welcome to the Grace Life, guys. Okay, in today's video, I just want to show you real quick. I had made this vase. It's a pebble stone vase. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, and so what I wanted to do was make the pear. So in this video, that's what we'll be doing. So let me show you what we'll be using. This vase here, you can find it at the Dollar Tree. We're going to be using that. These stands here, you can find it at the Dollar Tree. I previously used these in a different craft, and I went ahead and I put nautical rope along the bottom. And I think these came at the time in white and black, so of course I got them in the black. The only thing I did was put that rope around. So, and then the stones did come from the Dollar Tree, so these are excess stones, and this is how they come, the bag. So, we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to be using the hot glue gun, and anything else I'm going to use to make this craft is down in the description box below. I hope that you enjoyed the video, so let's get started. So, I cleaned the surface with a paper towel, usually a glass cleaner I put on here. We want to wipe the surface because we want to make sure that the glue sticks really well without any problem. So now, besides the hot glue gun, what I am going to be doing is I am going to be putting a little bit of E6000. I got this E6000 at Walmart. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of E6000 because the stones weigh. Okay, they're a little bit too heavy for the hot glue, and yeah, so that's what we'll be doing. We'll be doing a little bit of E6000, and then we'll go ahead and start using the hot glue. So I'm only going to be doing like little dabs. I'm not going to be smearing it everywhere. It's an absolutely beautiful project. I've done these in the past, and very, very, very nice. This is nice for outside, patio. It's just a really nice decor piece. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So what we want to do is, I'm just going to spread out the stones because the stones are different sizes. There is no specific method to doing this. You just want to piece it together like as it makes you happy. You know, some of them are longer, some of them are not, some of them are really short, and they're also different colors. You can angle this in any direction. See, they also come in different colors. That one's black. Guys, these also make really nice vases for your dining room table. you can always go back and fill in. I see a spot here I might be able to fit a stone. Once you get the whole vase done, you can always go back and fill in with the smaller stones. So I see which one I want to use. Okay, let me just show you what that looks like, guys. Okay. There you go. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Absolutely gorgeous. So what you do is you put some E6000, you dabs of it, then you put hot glue on the stone, and then you place that stone however way in whatever direction you want. We go around the whole vase. Now in the pack of the in the pack here, you will find little tinier stones, and what you'll do is later on, after you do the whole vase, then you can go back in and fill in the gaps. But honestly speaking, when you have the candle lit, I mean this piece doesn't, the camera doesn't do it any justice at all. It is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, guys, is I'm going to go ahead and finish off gluing the rest of this, and then I'll be right back with you. So now, guys, you see how now I have to go in and fill in the empty spaces with the smaller stones. And believe it or not, those can be even more challenging because you have to make sure you get it in there. Let me show you what that looks like so far, guys. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm just going to put a couple here and there. I'm not going to stress over what I can fit. I'll just do what I can with these little ones. Now remember, because we're using the E6000, you do have to let this sit. I normally forget about it for 2 days and then I come back. And if I need to touch up anywhere, I will. But you do have to have patience and let it sit. Guys, there it is. So, a beautiful decor piece. So So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. Okay, guys, I will see you in the next video.